Friends, my greeting to you on the World Liver Day, which is observed every year on the 19th of April. Why do we need a World Liver Day? Because we are always busy with our own chores of work, and in our mundane workload, we forget our human body, which runs with us. So someone was asking, why should you do a master health check at all? I just asked, okay, you bought a new bike, right? Yes. I bought a new bike, 5 years ago, and now it's not new anymore. Yeah, of course. So what did you do? Did you do some servicing? He said, yeah, of course. I did a 1000 kilometer service, 2000 kilometer service, and 5000 kilometer service. It's a brand new bike or a second-hand bike that you bought? Brand new bike, sir. Then why do you need servicing? Oh, then how do you know how the bike is? You need to change the oil, and then you need to change the grease and check whether nuts and bolts are okay and the brake is fine. All that has to be done. No, so it requires servicing. Okay, how old are you? I asked. I'm 25. Okay, 25 years. In 25 years, have you ever checked if your body is all right? He just looked at me puzzled. Said, why should I? I'm fine. No, your bike was also fine. So, but you got so many services done. The human body is more complex than even a bike. A bike, you can just throw it and get a new bike, but a body can never be disposed. And this human body is one of the rarest creations of nature, because we are the guys who can change the destiny of this world. And then we have a fantastic body, and what is interesting is each one's body is totally different from the other. So no two human beings can be similar inside and outside. There are so many variations because of nature. So in these amalgamation of variations, lot of small problems, mistakes can happen in the production. Some people may have diabetes, some people may have high cholesterol, some people may have high triglycerides, your blood pressure may be up, you may be at risk for heart problems, you may have liver problem, and unless otherwise you check yourself, you wouldn't know. You think the body wise we all look fine, but what is happening inside we would never know. That is why we recommend a master health check for everyone every year, annually, every year. And today even the unaffordable can go to the government hospital, and just at 500 rupees they can get a whole master health check done. So it's not very difficult, and you need a mind just to think, yes, I need to look at my body, just to find out what is happening inside. So it's important, and especially it's more important in families who have heart attacks, blood pressure, kidney problem, and then have diabetes or dyslipidemias, obesity. All these people, and also with family history of cancers, they all have to undergo master health check every year. Then we can easily find out. And in fact, we were the first guys at VGM Hospital at Coimbatore to start a liver master health check in whole of Tamil Nadu. Not to my knowledge, nobody had started. So we do a liver master health check. People know about general master health check, diabetic master health check, cardiac master health check. We at VGM, we even have obesity master health check, that is a liver master health check. And apart from that, we have a cancer master health check also. So all these master health checks will tell you whether there is any gross problem happening in your body. And then how is a liver master health check done? It's very simple. First one is an ultrasound scan, which shows if you have a fatty liver or a cirrhosis of liver, which is a hardened liver. Then we do the blood test, and the whole liver function test will show how the liver is functioning. And the third test is to check the fat in the liver. We quantify the fat, and we also check how hard is the liver by assessing the fibrosis of the liver. All these tests together can tell us if the liver is safe and sound structurally and functionally. Liver is the largest organ in the human body. Many people think it's inside the abdomen, but it's inside the rib cage, because it's a soft organ, and any trauma can rupture it and can torrentially produce a bleeding, and patients can die of liver tear. So if there is a trauma, so it is inside the right side rib cage, which is completely protects us. So what does the liver do? The liver is a metabolic organ. All the absorbed food goes through the liver, and the liver metabolizes, changes carbohydrate to fat, fat to protein, protein to carbohydrate or fat, and then stores the energy in the form of glycogen, because during sleep all the reparative processes have to happen. Or if you are going on fasting, you need glucose as an energy for the brain, and so the liver releases from the glycogen store the glucose and protects the brain so that we don't go into coma. Also, the liver does a lot of myriad of functions, 5,000 small functions it does, and then it can take care of all the toxins and can detoxify in the food or drugs that you take toxins. If people, like in the food or water we consume, there are a lot of bacteria and yeast forms or viruses. These are all destroyed by the liver. Whatever is unfriendly to the body is destroyed by the liver. And then the liver is also a synthetic organ. It keeps on synthesizing hormones. It synthesizes red blood corpuscles. So many things. And then all the toxins are secreted through the bile so that it goes out through the motion. So it does a myriad of functions, and without a liver's healthy function, you cannot sleep. So do you know whether your liver is functioning well or not? Very simply you can find out. The first thing is, are you able to sleep well in the night? That means your liver should be good. 2, if you're waking up frequently and if you're not a diabetic and if your sleep is disturbed and you don't have COVID-19, then probably something wrong with the liver. Then the second one is, while traveling long distances with the feet down, if you develop edema of the feet, that shows that there is something going wrong with the liver, possibly, or it could be because of diabetes, hypertension, kidney disease, but some problem is there. And third one is, if you're frequently getting up to pass urine in the night, then either you could be having a urinary tract infection or a prostate problem or a diabetes, or it could be a liver disease. So, and also after coming home from office, if you're feeling extremely tired, that could also mean a liver disease. So please look at your liver, get a master health check for the liver, protect your liver so that the liver will protect you.